Hello friends! In this practice we are going to learn how to create a PowerPoint presentation online. It saves by itself. Now you have your first slide, and as you can see it shows you a title and a subtitle, and over here it shows you different styles. So as your first practice you are going to choose a style from here. If I did not see this box right here, I can click on this sign. It shows ideas. Now, I advise you to close it so that it doesn't keep generating, so that you have more connection and it's faster to load. Over here, in this text box, I need to have a title. So I'm going to click right here and I'm going to write You can write 2A or 2B or 2C next to it. Now, I finished my first design for the slide. Over here, I can add many designs. You see this button? It says New Slide. So, let's take a look at the ribbon first. You have Home, Insert, Draw, Design, and so on. And for now, I'm going to add a new slide. So I need to click on this one and I need to choose the template. Which template do I want for my second slide? Let's say that I want it to be title and content, which means 2 boxes. I choose it and I click Add a Slide. You can add a new slide and make it blank. Click Add Slide. You can go on Draw and you can draw something in it. So, if you can see, I tried to click on Draw with Touch. This button works when you are using an iPad. Now we are using a computer, which means I will have to choose from here and use the mouse or the trackpad in a laptop. So this button is for iPads. Now I'm going to go back to Select. Let's say that I am done with my drawing, and this is showing me that it's saved already. If I want to watch all my presentation and I'm done, I will go on Slideshow and I will click from beginning. And then I need to click with the mouse to change with each. So this is our first practice. I want you to create your own presentation and let me know if it works.